Hey Edgar, this is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. Thank you for your interest in being able to generate more leads, more calls, more jobs without having to pay for any type of ads. In this video, I'm going to show you just how we can help you do that. So I'm going to jump right to it, Edgar. Looking right away at your website, some of the things that we look for is, are you being indexed, are you being ranked for keywords on Google? Okay, and the reason being is because if you're being ranked for keywords on Google that is specifically for the services that you are servicing, then that's a great thing because people are going to be able to find you on Google, okay? And that's super important. So I'm going to jump over here to this tab here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps you understand how well your website's performing. Some of the things that I'm going to jump right to, though, is keywords, okay? This is super important, because this helps us understand what keywords your website's being ranked for. This way, if you're being ranked for specific keywords, then you want more visibility on your website, okay? And currently right now, you're not being indexed for any keywords. Now, let's jump over here with one of your competitors, okay? This is Anderson Plumbing, Heating, and Air. And just to note, Edgar, I'm just going to focus on the San Marcos, California area. I know it's a broader area, but this is just for that area. So if you're going to be servicing other locations in that area, it applies for the same, right? Because I know it's a bigger area. So if you say, you know what, Francisco, I do all of this area here, then that's okay. We just got to make sure that your potential clients, whether commercial or residential, can find you on Google, okay? So now let's go back to one of your competitors. Okay, so these guys, we're going to see how well they're performing. Okay, once again, Ahrefs is a tool that helps me understand that. And look, they're being indexed for several keywords. And I'm just going to focus on AC Repair San Marcos, because that's the area that we're focusing on right now. So they are being indexed for it. Now, the volume, essentially here, I'm going to scroll up here, the volume here is 80. Meaning that that's an estimated amount of times that is being searched for on Google every single month. So I'm just going to take this keyword here and type it into Google. Now, this is important for you to understand because are you showing up on the Google pages for this specific keyword or any given keyword that is going to be in any area that you service, okay? And this is just for this area, and we can help you with any location that you want to target. Now, this is a buyer intent, okay? The reason why a buyer intent keyword is because, one, AC repair, okay? And I know that you do that type of work, right? Air conditioning, heating system, and so forth, but we're just going to focus on AC repair. And then second thing is the area, San Marcos, California. So you know right away, anyone that's going to be searching for this, they need help. They need your services. Now, guess what's going to happen, though, when people are searching on Google? And nowadays, everybody searches on Google. Okay, is we got this Google guarantee, or in this case, they're Google ads, if you will, and these are the companies that are showing up. So now, if I were to click on here, they're going to get charged what is called a cost per click, and those are Google ads. But I'm not going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about the organic, okay? But this is the service that we do provide if you decide to do that. Now, organic. This is important because Google is already ranking these specific businesses on Google. So guess what's going to happen? Champion Air Conditioning, Action Air Conditioning, Oak Island Heating, they're going to get visited on their website, right? And they're going to get that call. Now, for San Marcos, right, these are the, once again, Google ads here. You got these specific customers that are going to be called and so forth. And here you guys are right here. Right, and this is just for the San Marcos area, and it's specifically for this keyword. The idea, though, is if you are servicing a broader area, is to get you in all of this area, okay? The higher you're ranked, the more you're going to get more organic calls. That's just how it works. Some of the things that you can do to help increase your ranking is get more reviews, optimize your content, optimize your photos, post on a weekly basis, get press releases, things like that. But that's something that we can help you with. The last thing I want to show you is the organic listings, okay? So remember how we went to this page and it helps you understand how well your website's performing? This is what's important here. So Yelp is being ranked as number 1 for this keyword. Once again, Anderson Plumbing. The reason why I took these competitors, is because they're ranked number 2 for AC Repair San Marcos. And if we were to go back, they are obviously being ranked, and the volume is pretty high. So the idea is to also rank your website. Okay, rank your website on these listings. The reason being is because if you're ranked higher on here, you're going to get that click without having to pay any ads, and you're going to get that call. So my recommendation would be is to also redesign the site. It's a good looking site, but redesign it so that way it is optimized for keywords and you're being indexed for those. Anyway, Edgar, those are just some of the things that I wanted to show you. If you want more information and you want to talk, please let me know. Email me on the email that I sent you where you got this, or text me, either or. Let's just chat, and we'll love to hear your thoughts. Thank you.